Dear students, welcome to social studies class. Today we are going to start reading from the second paragraph on page number 17. Iraq has huge reserves of oil, third in order after Saudi Arabia. Iran is second, but today for political reasons Iraq is banned from exporting more than a small amount. If Iraq were allowed to export all that it was able to, the Islamic world would produce more than half the total world supply. This paragraph discussed about the ranking among the oil producing Muslim countries. If we look at this ranking, Saudi Arabia ranks first, Iran second, and Iraq is third. But for political reason, Iraq is banned from exporting more than a limited amount of oil. Now come on the next page, page number 18. This paragraph discussed with the oil reserves in other Muslim countries. Now let's start reading. Other states such as Bahrain, Qatar and Abu Dhabi in UAE are also produce large amount of oil. Abu Dhabi has 9% of the world oil reserves and 5% of natural reserves. In 2007, Pakistan produced about 22.6 million barrel of crude oil. This may seem a large amount, but remember that Saudi Arabia pumps out this amount every 2 days. Pakistan does, however, have some very valuable natural gas field. In this paragraph, we can see that Abu Dhabi has 9% of the world oil reserves and 5% of its natural gas reserve. The Gulf state of Qatar has 12% of the world known gas reserves. Oil production in Pakistan was 22.6 million barrel of crude oil in 2007, which is equivalent to the quantity produced by Saudi Arabia in 2 days. Now, look at this table which discuss 10 top oil and gas producing countries in the Muslim world. Oil: Saudi Arabia, Iran, UAE, Iraq, Nigeria, Kuwait, Indonesia, Libya, Oman, Bahrain. And gas is produced in Indonesia, Algeria, Uzbekistan, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Pakistan. Now look at this chart. This is called pie chart, and this chart discussed 15 top oil producer in the world. This green shade show the Muslim countries and these are non-Muslim countries. This chart showing the world's top 15 producer of oil, and it was made in 2008. This chart shows that 10 Muslim countries produce enough oil. Gas is produced in 6 Muslim countries. Pakistan also produces oil, but it is not among the top 10 producers of the Muslim world. However, it has reasonable reserves of gas which should be used carefully. Now look at this paragraph. While the USA is the second largest producer of oil, it consumes twice as much as it produces, so that it has to import huge amount from the Muslim world. Only Iran consumes in top 15 consumers of oil, and even then it produces 3 times as much as it uses. Most of the oil used by Iran is for industry and for turning seawater into fresh water, which is called desalination. Though the USA is second largest oil producer, it still import oil because it consumes twice as much. Its consumption is so high. It is highly industrialized country with a huge communication and transport system. Iran is also among the top 15 oil producer, but it produces more than its consumption. The reason is that Iran is not as industrialized as America or Japan. Quite apart from its most important use as fuel, oil is the raw material for many other products. In the course of refining, thick black sludge that comes from the ground into petrol, many chemicals are taken out from it and made into things as different as cosmetics, clothing, fertilizers, paints, and medicine. As the oil is refined and it is changed into useful oil materials, some other things are also produced from its raw material. Oil comes from the ground into in the form of a black sludge. This sludge is used for making many different materials. These materials can be seen on this page. This is a refinery in Karachi where the oil is refined, raw oil is refined. The other things which can be produced from this oil are LPG gas, liquid gas for cooking, fuel for vehicles and aircraft, kerosene for cooking stoves, oil for machinery, lubricant for machinery, cosmetics, dyes of all kinds for clothes and food, plastic of all kinds, half of all synthetic clothing, nylon made from oil, bitumen for roads, roofs, waterproofing, in paints, inks, fertilizers, making tires, give extra strength. All these things can be made from raw material of the oil. You can see oil and gas fields of the Muslim world in this map.